Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Discord and going straight to user settings. Don't linger. Once there, find activity privacy under app settings. You want to stop Discord from broadcasting what you're doing, so locate display current activity as a status and toggle it off now. If you're on mobile, tap your avatar, then privacy and safety or activity status and flip the same switch. Once done, Discord will stop sharing detected game titles immediately. Now you focus on specific entries so nothing slips through. Go to Activity Status to review running programs Discord detected. Click the X or Remove for any listed game. Make sure to check connections to unlinked services like Steam or Twitch that can show activity. Disconnect them if needed. If a server or bot adds rich presence, open server settings or integrations and revoke that permission. Once you remove these, Discord won't display the application names tied to your account. Finish by restarting Discord so changes fully apply. This forces the client to refresh status data. You should run a quick test. Open a game or app and then check your profile from another account or ask a friend to confirm nothing displays. If the playing tag persists, clear Discord's cache or sign out and back in, and review OAuth app permissions in connections to revoke access. If problems continue, reinstall Discord.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.